Jordan brand continues its seasonal rollout with the Air Jordan 1 Low Flax, a cozy, lifestyle-driven take on the classic silhouette. Scheduled for fall 2025, this version swaps traditional leather for full faux fur uppers in a warm golden brown tone. Matching overlays and tongues maintain a monochromatic look, while Varsity Red accents on the Jumpman tongue logo and wings insignia at the heel add striking contrast. The design is finished off with a vintage-style muslin midsole and gum rubber outsole, blending heritage elements with modern texture. This release is part of a broader fall 2025 collection that emphasizes lifestyle appeal through the use of suede, textiles, and seasonal hues. The Air Jordan 1 Low Flax continues the brand's push beyond its basketball roots, embracing materials and colorways suited for everyday wear. Expect this pair to drop in fall 2025 on Nike.com and at select Jordan brand retailers.